Welcome back to Learning with Our Difference. News headlines in English for 31st of January. And first of all, national news. Parliament budget session from Tuesday. President to address both houses. Ex-chief of cooperative bank siphon off funds, probe agency finds. No key election for now in Lakshadweep after court scraps MP's conviction. BJP will retain Tripura, declared Deputy Chief Minister Jishnudev Verma. Supreme Court hearing on laws regulating interfaith marriages on Friday. Real-time source SUPERSITE to help tackle pollution, Arvind Kejriwal. Matters regarding Chinese intrusion can't be discussed in Parliament, Centre said. Parliament panel to take up issue of unruly air passengers' behaviour. India want shut coal power plants till 2030 to meet rising demand, a report said. No parole for convicts under anti-terror law, Bombay High Court. PM Modi paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 75th death anniversary. Next week, Supreme Court to hear cases challenging ban on BBC series on PM. Fresh snowfall shut Srinagar-Jammu highway, flights affected. And now international news. UN General Assembly President hailed India's calls for peace in Ukraine. Philips cut 6,000 jobs after sleep device recall losses deepen, a report said. Imran Khan to run for all 33 seats in key Pakistan polls. Volodymyr Zelensky urged France to ban Russian athletes from 2024 Olympics. NATO chief asked South Korea to step up military aid for Ukraine. And now some sports news. India men's hockey coach Graham Reid resigned following World Cup debacle. And ARYNA SABALENKA won Australian Open 2023 women's singles title. NOVAK Djokovic won his 10th Australian Open title. Veteran Indian batter Murli Vijay announced retirement from all forms of international cricket. I see 3 to 4 members of Women's Under-19 World Cup squad graduating to highest level. Mithali Raj. And now news related to business. 9 lakh government vehicles to go off road from April 1st, Nitin Gadkari said. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event is set to take place on February 1 in San Francisco. Union Budget 2023-24 is scheduled to be presented in the Parliament by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on February 1. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget on Wednesday. The centre will unveil its budget on Wednesday. India has risen to become the world's 5th largest economy. 60% households expect dip in earnings, seek relief in budget, a report said. News from Science and Technology. NASA's record-breaking Lucy spacecraft has a new asteroid target. Hubble Space Telescope explored a turbulent tarantula. BRUNT ice shelf in Antarctica carves massive iceberg as big as Greater London. And that's all in news. Thank you.